Hey y'all, it's Sam, and today I'm going to show y'all how to do a glueless quick weave on yourself. This is the foundation of making it glueless. You have to use wrapping papers, and you do have to know how to braid in order to do this particular install, because as we keep going, you'll see that I end up sewing down everything. Now I'm going in with blonde string. I actually got this idea from Slay by Jordan because this is my second time doing my hair like this, and when I used black string it was a little bit difficult for me to remove it. I had to really take my time. So using this, hopefully I'll be able to easily see the string. And I'm just going around in a circle, sewing this down. This is a little advanced, but take your time as you do it and you'll be good. I am a sew-in girly to the fullest. This is why I prefer this particular method, because for some reason when I do the one without sewing it down, it just does not seem to last. The last time I had this install in, it was going on a month. So I know that it lasts, and I had no glue on my hair except for the part where I glued some tracks in. But this time I made sure I did. This time I made sure I only left minimal leave out, so I wouldn't even have to put glue in my hair this time. But it still wasn't hard to get out for me. Now we're going in with the Pump It Up. OG, if it's not broke, don't fix it. I'm going in and spraying, making sure my cap is saturated to the point where I feel it being wet. I'm going in with this adhesive spray. It's similar to Got To Be, but I just feel like it's better. And then I'm going to sit under the dryer until this is dry. I wanted to show y'all that this is from my last install. I took some pieces off because I was going to add more color to the hair, but I decided not to. But the easiest way to wash your quick weaves when you take it off is just take it off and wash it on the cap. Let it air dry, and then I'm just literally taking off the pieces of hair from the previous quick weave and added it to the new quick weave. I did not remove any glue. I don't plan on using this hair for a sew-in. I'll keep using it for a quick weave. So it does not matter to me if I have any glue on the tracks, because as you can see, they're sticking. I wanted to point out that I am putting the first 3 tracks in a U shape completely around my head, because this is a middle part and I want it to fall in my face. And you can see that I am adding some blonde pieces in this install because I want it to fall in my face as well, towards the front only. I'll be mainly wearing this hair bone straight or with a few beach waves in it, keeping it blunt cut, not doing too many layers because I want a certain look. So you'll see I'll add, I think, 2 more rows of blonde into it right in this front area. And it doesn't always match up completely. Sometimes you do have to cut the tracks in order to get the perfect fit as you keep using the hair. But like I said, this is for quick weaves only, so it's not a big deal to me. I honestly think I could probably get 5 good installs with this hair. I'm getting to the top, closing up the install. I would say this is one of these areas where you really need to take your time because you don't want to get the hair on your braids or on the hair that is underneath the braids. You want to keep it on the scalp. So I know it's a quick weave, but take your time, and that's what I'm doing now. I am taking this last piece all the way to the front of the braid, and I'm taking it all around. And since I used the blonde, I had this piece left, and I just had to just stuff it into this install because I just wanted to do that. Now I'm relaxed, so I just basically put foam on my hair, mold it down, and I get under the dryer. The dryer does two things. It bonds the install together, and it also dries my hair. Now, if you're natural, you can do something similar. I would say take one of those wrap strips or a net and tie it around your hair and tie it down. And then when you get done, you're gonna take a regular blow dry and just blow dry out your leave out in the direction you want it to go. This is the Simplening Gloss by Kenra. I will have all the products and tools that I use linked down below if you can't find it in your local beauty supply or your local Ulta. Also about this hair, this is from my old vendor when I used to be behind the chair and I needed to supply hair to my customers. I kind of want to start back selling it, and I kind of don't. I will though, if anybody's interested. If I go through with considering it, I will have a link down below for an email list if you're interested, and if I launch it, I'll let y'all know. Now my hair is not a color match at all for this hair, but let me explain. I dyed my hair black a few months ago, and I'm also relaxed. So it wouldn't be wise to try to get that color out. So instead of doing the whole bundle, brown or lighter brown, dark blonde, that's how I came up with this color combination that I did. If y'all want to know more about this color combination, let me know and I'll make a video on that. I do have access to Pro Color because I am licensed, but I will go to Sally's and find an equivalent for those who are not licensed. Y'all, I thought my camera was low enough for you to see what I'm doing, but it was 2 o'clock in the morning, and yeah. Basically what I'm doing is cutting the ends that are uneven off my hair, doing a blunt cut, because we can't be out here with split ends even on our weave because it just doesn't look good. And I'm also putting some face framing layers, keeping them long because I mainly am wearing this hair straight. But if you're into those bangs that everybody's wearing, the real layer bangs, you would just go up higher. But I don't like that look on me, so I didn't do that. And this is the finished look, and it is flat. I did check it. If you're interested in learning how to style and put extensions in your hair at home, I invite you to subscribe, and thank you for watching if you made it this far. See you later.